this video, guys, I'll be teaching you ways that you can make money on Poppo. See, one thing you need to know about Poppo is this: it is one of the streaming platforms that you can directly withdraw your money to your local bank. So with Poppo, there is no point looking for USD account number somewhere. There is no point going on Payoneer, going on GPay, going on Gray to get USD. You understand? So Poppo pays you directly to your local bank. So one of the ways that you can make money on Poppo is this: once you come to someone's live stream like this is someone's live stream, and here I am seated on someone's seat. I'm actually sitting on the golden chair. You understand? I don't want to get up so that someone will not get my seat. So this is the golden chair. This is the golden chair. This is the golden chair also. So one of the ways that you can make money is for you, once you come to someone's live stream, you check up here, you look up. So once you look up, you will see this treasure box. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see that, you see, I am eligible to pick 40 coins. So I will just click on it. Then automatically the coins has been credited to my account. You understand? So one good thing about Poppo is this: every 5 a.m., every 5 p.m., sorry, is a new day on the app. Look at someone is gambling. Guys, look at someone is gambling. Look at my coins. I have 51. So as the person is gambling, it is increasing. Look at now I have 60. So gambling is another way that you can make money on the platform. You understand? Gambling is one of the ways. Before I get done making this video, you see that my coins will definitely increase if someone gets to gamble on me again. So aside from that, there are other ways that you can make money on Poppo. Like now that I am sitting on the crown seat. Now I'm sitting on the crown seat. There is a particular number of coins that I'll be eligible for. You understand? After sitting on this crown seat for an hour. After sitting on the crown seat for an hour, there is a certain number of coins that will be credited to me directly. And once it is credited to me, guys, look at the golden seat I was talking about here. I am sitting on one. Yeah, this is someone else gambling. This is someone else gambling. You can see that they are gambling with me. My point is actually increasing. On Poppo here, point is money. Well, coins, what I picked from the treasure box, I picked coins. So what you do is this: on Poppo, you exchange the coins that you got with someone in order for you to get points. Point is the money, while coins is what you used in exchanging to point. You understand? So like now people are gambling, you use your coins to gamble. You understand? So the good thing about Poppo is this: it favors women majorly. It favors women majorly. Like now, let me see how many coins I've been able to pick so far. If I have enough coins, I will gamble, so you see what it looks like. So this is my gift gallery here. This is my gift gallery here. If you want to gamble, this is what you have to do. If you want to gamble, let me show you something. There are so many gifts here. We have gift, we have lucky, we have taste, we have fan club, we have custom. So if you are gambling, please ensure that you are using gift under lucky. You understand? If you are gambling, ensure you're using gift under lucky. If you're not using gift under lucky, it literally means that you just gave out your coins like that. You understand? So now I told you guys something. I picked coins from the treasure box. Look at the coins here. Look at the coins. Look at the coins that I picked from the treasure box here. 120. So the first time I picked 40. I picked 40 again. If you check here, you see that it is counting down. Once it is done counting down, I will pick another 40. Then that is the good thing about Poppo. Then if you check these things rolling, you see that people are playing games and they are winning. You understand? So like I was saying, if you click on this lucky, if you click on lucky, these are gifts that you can use to gamble. These are gifts that you can use to gamble. And one thing you need to know about Poppo is this: there is a right time for you to gamble. You don't just gamble like that. Like, if you've noticed, since we came here, like, people are not just gambling like that. There is a particular time you see them gamble, right? Once it is that time, I will show you. In fact, let me show you now. I don't know if you can see this particular space. If you can see this thing, can you see this orange thing? Once you see this thing moving very fast, it is assumed that it is the right time for one to gamble. So now it is beginning to move fast. Once you see it move very fast, you see that people will begin to gamble. And it is believed that once you gamble when it is moving very fast, like, there is good network on the app. There is good network on the platform, and if you gamble at that time, you will likely win. You understand? So that's why you see people gamble. Now, for my treasure box, look at it here. One thing about treasure box is this: you don't need to necessarily sit on the seat before you can pick treasure box. So whether you're seated or you're not seated, you can always get treasure box as far as you are in that live stream. So now click on the treasure box again, then plus 40 again. So I have gotten the coins again. So remember what I told you guys. I already stated that 5 p.m. every day is a new day on the app. 5 p.m. every day is a new day on the app. So, like, now that I have these coins I'm picking, is coins of yesterday. You understand? It's coins of yesterday that I am picking today. So if I come back here 5 p.m. my time, 5 p.m. West African time, I'll still be eligible to pick another coin. You understand? So that is it. That is one thing I just love about this app. You can never be stranded on Poppo. Take my words to the bank and keep it there. You can never be stranded on Poppo, because once you come, at least you have coins to start up life. So let me show you. For you to check your balance after picking coins, you need to click on this icon that looks like the box. You click on the icon that looks like the box. You open it. Once you open it, before now, if you can recall, I had 120 coins. So look at it now. I have 160. So look at the golden seat I was talking about here. So if you are a lady, every day you have tasks for you to perform. Before 5 p.m. West African time, you must sit on the golden chair so you can get the benefit. You understand? So once you sit on the golden chair, if you want to check the numbers of minutes that is left for you so you can get up, it's for you to check below. So once you check below, you see these 3 lines. You click on it. Once you click on the 3 lines, you see here, you see reward. So you click on this reward. Once you are done with the numbers of hours you're supposed to sit, you see that there will be a notification where this reward is. So you just click on it, then you will get your coins. So now that I've clicked on this reward, it will tell me the numbers of minutes. That I have sat on that golden chair. It will tell me the numbers of minutes I've sat on the golden chair. So here is it, guys. Let me show you something. So this one is games. So I will teach you guys how to play games. I think that will be in another video, because I don't want this video to be very long. So for this one, for sitting on the crown seat, look at it here. I have sat on the crown seat for 11 minutes. So after sitting on the crown seat, I'll be getting 800 coins. 800 coins is what I'll be getting after sitting on the crown seat. So here you can invite people. One thing about inviting people to Poppo is this: you can always earn up to $14. You understand? So once you invite people, inviting someone does not necessarily mean just inviting them and letting them be. If you invite them, then you monitor them, you ensure that they are carrying out their daily tasks. You see that you definitely get something. So the more they are active on the platform, the more you're earning. So it's not just all about inviting people and all of that. So here is it. If you're a lady, look at what I was talking about here. Look at what I was talking about here. If you invite people, you can earn up to 140,000 coins, which is equivalent to $14. That's a huge amount of money. And mind you, the minimum withdrawal on this platform is $10. So if you play your cards well, believe me, in less than 7 days you can make your $10. So guys, I want you to come on the platform, go through all of this. If you play games, you will as well earn all of this. So let me go for this, let me go for that, then see if I can win. This is Ocean Hunt. So let's see if we can play one game. Okay, these are games that are currently ongoing, guys, because I don't have enough coins. See, if I want to play games now, I'll be playing games that has very little. Okay, this one has 10 coins. Wait, guys, let me take a screenshot of this. Yeah, I've taken a screenshot of this. So I'm back here. Have gotten another coin. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.